Hola!
Hi everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today we're going to talk about backgrounds in your drawings, why they're important, how to choose them, and some tips to make your characters stand out. Let's get started.
Okay, let's go.
A background isn't just decoration. It gives context, atmosphere, and makes your character feel part of a story. Even a simple background can change the mood completely. You can go for abstract backgrounds when you want something fast and stylish, or for complex backgrounds if you want to tell a story and add details. Both are valid, it depends on the effect you want to achieve. The background colors should support your character. If your character is dark, use lighter tones behind them. If they're colorful, keep the background neutral so they pop out. Make sure both elements feel connected. Use shadows, matching light sources, and similar brush textures so it looks like the character belongs in that world. You can find background ideas on apps like Pinterest, ArtStation, or Instagram. They're perfect for references and mood boards. Textures make backgrounds more interesting. You can find free ones on websites like textures.com or Unsplash. Just remember to always check if they're free for personal or commercial use. And now I want to ask you, what do you prefer in your art, simple or complex backgrounds? Let me know in the comments. If this tutorial helped you, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Thanks for watching, and see you in the next video.